guys, welcome to my presentation. So first of all, this is what my model looks like roughly and the final rendering. The rendering setting haven't been changed yet, so it looks a little blurry. You can have a general look, and then here are some details. The overall look is quite complete. Then I would like to briefly introduce this project of mine. I am making a space rabbit because according to Chinese zodiac culture, 2023 is Lunar New Year, and my zodiac attribute is Luna. So for me, I wanted to create a sense of 2023 with Chinese cultural color and meaning, while incorporating modern technology elements, using the rabbits as the scene. In this scene, the rabbit is the main character, and the other elements are used as supporting elements to reflect traditional Chinese culture. Then here is my concept of what it will roughly look like, and my chosen art style is one that trains to be a cartoon animation style, similar to these three images. And here are my three views, mainly made with the iPad Procreate. For some backups I left behind when I was modeling. At the beginning of the mode, I used a polygon sphere, but the normal is not good, such as the need to dig a hole when it is difficult to operate. Then I tried a lot of methods and find that the best way to make a character is use a cube with a smooth command. And then the overall modeling process of this rabbit is a little complex. The first important decision was that I connect the ears and head together and needed to use the bridge command. The advantage of this is that it will look more realistic. When it was complete, it was time to create a UV map. I learned how to expand a character UV map by starting at YouTube. For example, by expanding it in the ZX direction. And here are the lines I cut. As you can see, the rabbit is regular. So there are many factors to consider when unfolding. Here I also find a problem that is the rabbit face has a strange place like this. Need to modify. The ring is not flat. Then the way I modified it was to add a line using the cut tool, and then delete the extra lines, keeping all the face in 4 passes to make the lines more even. Because it is better not to connect 5 lines to one vertex. Then after the UV map is made, I need to save it to Photoshop for mapping and make some texture. And here are some of my mapping process. The main software I use is Photoshop and Illustrator. So like here, we can see some details I make from Photoshop, like here. And this is the basic color I made. Yeah, kind of the things. Here. finally is the material part. I roughly adjust, and in the time of adjustment, there are some records down like this. This is just to a face material. I want mirror-like effects, so I roughly adjust some parameters and I close the ROI and close the roughness like this. The rest of the material, such as the ear, I add a shiny effects, a bit like a glowing powder. It is made by a node called AI Flakes. The connection is to the normal camera. The other materials are mainly achieved by diffuse, bump, specular, these three maps. So thank you for the above is a presentation of my 3D modeling process. Thanks, guys.